Hello friends, your friendly guy Harold is here and I would like to welcome you to Hearts class. Today's class will be my second video on the new module Tips and Tricks to Improve Spoken English Skills. I hope you enjoy it and learn some helpful means of improving your spoken English skills. Please do share your views in the comments below. Today, we shall look into tip number 2. And tip number 2 is attitude. When we embark on a journey or take up a task or set a goal for ourselves to achieve or start an endeavor, etc., the first thing we must do is we must develop an attitude for it. Why? Because nothing comes easy. There shall be obstacles and hurdles along the way, and it is the attitude of an individual that will help you stay afloat and or swim to shore. And this is a true fact of life too. It is the same with developing spoken English skills. The first trick is sense of humor. Learning takes place best when it is fun. To begin with, you can start by laughing at yourself. Yes, you heard that right. When we start something, we shall not be perfect. So it's best that we laugh at ourselves and not let that drawback, that tiny mistake, to crush us. When we learn to laugh at ourselves, hearing ourselves speaking, we break the shackles that hold us back from moving ahead. I believe the ability to laugh at one's self goes a long way in building self-confidence as a true critic. The second trick is make room for mistakes. No one is perfect except God Himself. Therefore, don't let mistakes bog you down. Accept you have made a mistake and move on. When you move on, you are more inclined to correct that mistake than to repeat it. If you delve too long on that mistake, you shall never be able to unlearn it, and it becomes a part of you and haunts you. The third trick is to swallow a virtual pill of confidence. In a world where we have virtual friends, make friends with a virtual pill of confidence. Confidence is not a thing that you can touch or achieve. It's an abstract object. You are the provider and the source. So take a pill whenever you are going to practice spoken English activities or tasks. As teachers or facilitators, we can only help you in a certain way and to a certain extent. So I hope you apply these tricks and make it a part of your life. I shall have more tips and tricks for you in the next few videos. If you do find these helpful, it would be generous of you to leave your impression on the like button. If you would like to share a comment, you are most welcome to do so. See you next week with another bag of tricks. Till then, take care and stay safe. God bless.